All right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their mirror-mounted dash cam. This is the MU10 dash camera that's 4K and 1080p and mounts just right onto your mirror. So nothing really around the box. There's a little logo down here, day and night, some video protection logo, 4K 1080p. Let's just open it on up. There we go. Very nice. So slide off that piece. Okay. Man, I'm liking this look here. It's getting better and better. Please remove film before use. Let's go ahead and slide this off. See what we're working with here. Oh, so I see. So you've got an AV in port here, a USB Type-C port here, and a memory card slot right here. And if you remove this film, you can see that nice glass. I'm gonna keep this covered for now. And there's even a button down here. The back though, you can see there's a camera right here, a reset pin here, and it looks like this would be able to somehow just clip onto your mirror. Let's look at what else we have down in here. Cardboard. So it looks like the tools you would need to mount this. Looks like these little strips here is what would kind of loop around to make this fit onto your mirror. Very nice design. What else we got? So this is the power cable. So you can see USB Type-C power cable that would plug right into here to give this device power. And looks like a fairly long cable, so that's definitely nice. This looks to be the rear mounted camera where we open up this package. You can see they gave us a little bit of double-sided tape and some screws, whichever one you want to use. And then this camera would be able to be mounted at the rear of your car, and you would hide this cable some kind of way throughout your car and plug this in right on top here. And then your SD card's able to go in there. And that's it for this box. Last but not least, got a full manual here telling you how to do absolutely everything, and it's in all the language you need, all of that. Good info. See how the straps kind of go around your current mirror. So that should do it for this MU10 mirror mounted dash camera. Looks to be truly a great device. Looks very easy to put on, and you just plug it in and have you a nice camera that you can maneuver wherever you need. And look at that, even slides out. Oh man. Very cool. So that'll do it for this unboxing. Again, special thanks to this company for sending it to me, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.